Each year, salmon undertake an epic pilgrimage, a journey from the open sea back to the freshwater streams of their birth. Guided by chemical cues and the faint memory of their origins, they swim hundreds of kilometers upstream, leaping waterfalls and evading predators. Every muscle fiber burns, every ounce of stored fat consumed. By the time they reach their spawning grounds, their bodies are battered, their scales dulled, and their flesh deteriorating. Yet in their final moments, they lay and fertilize thousands of eggs, the future of their lineage scattered across the gravel beds. Soon after, their bodies surrender to exhaustion and decay. But death here is not wasteful. Their carcasses release a cascade of nutrients back into the ecosystem, nitrogen and phosphorus that feed algae, insects, and young fish. Bears drag their remains into the forest, where the soil itself grows richer from their sacrifice. Through their death, the ocean feeds the river, and the river feeds the forest, life renewed through death, an eternal migration written in the DNA of a dying traveler.